Today it's Wednesday, August 19, 2026, E500. Today it's the day that we're gonna start working on the car. On the previous video, I pointed you here where's the radiator that had a leak, okay? And because of this, we have a radiator. Then we have Omar. Hydraulic hose here. What's the cuts here? What's going on with the hydraulic hose here?
We added this one if you need the land for the power steering and the pump.
Ah, okay. Fine. We have this is for the exhaust.
Exhaust because you want the
All right.
one back.
Let's see all the parts before we start. Stabilizer. This is supposed to be the. What's that? Ah no, this is. No, sorry. What I read here? But dust filter. Okay. All right.
This is
fine.
Regulator, I think so. Yeah.
Ah, this is the voltage regulator for the alternator.
When you open, then you have to change the bearing.
Close by again. I'm gonna make a video for that. Here we have spark plugs.
You don't want to close it.
Here we have, what's that oxygen sensor?
Yeah.
Why?
Customer said, but I already informed you if it's stuck, don't touch it even. Because our car.
We're gonna see about that. We have some plastic frame for the number plates. Okay. We have, this is for the ignition coil wires. Okay. Fine. We have a crankshaft rear seal. Crankshaft rear seal because it's leaking from here, and we're gonna open it. We're gonna change the crankshaft rear seal, the transmission gear, oil gear pump. We're gonna change also the seal, and we're gonna change also this switch. All right, the switch is in the car. We keep it in the car. Some cable ties here, some hose clamps here, radiator hose. This is supposed to be the oil filter. Yes, this engine oil filter. We have some O-rings, we have some more O-rings, some seals, clamps. Alright, fine. And here inside we have, for the cooling expansion tank, the cap. We have a thermostat. Fine. And we have, this is oil filter element.
Can you open?
Yeah, can you please? Ah, this is for the hydraulic. The steel one, it has a cap. Yeah, I'm gonna do that, no worries. We just have to suck all the oil from inside to don't contaminate the system before we remove the filter. Okay, so, no, tell me, what?
The neutral switch.
Yeah, this, you have to drop down the transmission.
And customer also bring this carpet also.
Yeah, the insulation here.
Yeah.
Yeah. When we remove the transmission, it's gonna be easier to install it, because with the transmission on, I don't know if it's possible. Then.
Transmission mount we already changed.
Ah, you already changed it?
Yeah.
Nice. Not bad. Fine. So. Have also a leak here. It comes from up. It's coming from the power steering pump, the leak, and it's leaking down here. And we're gonna destroy also the AC line, the fluid, the hydraulic fluid. Yep. All right. So what you told me that I have to do?
After this other one.
No, forget the other one. On this one. Wait 1 second. No man, the alternator. You're gonna give me the alternator. Okay. We're gonna see the brushes and the bearings of the alternator. The brushes, it's together with the voltage regulator. Bearings, if they scream, even if they don't scream, we're gonna change 2 bearings to be okay, to be safe. All right. I'm gonna give you a sample of the bearings. All right. So we start working on it. Yeah, I'm gonna make another video. No, maybe I'm not gonna upload this video. I'm gonna keep it. So when I open the alternator, when we drop down the transmission, to continue, yeah, it makes sense. It makes sense. All right, fine. That's it for now. For you, it's gonna be in a second. For us, it's gonna be a couple of hours. All right, so we are okay. Just don't forget, make down the car and get also the switch from in the car and put it in the box. You don't have to make it 10 times up and down the car. All right, radiator, fine. That's it. Let's go to the next car. What?
I need to do this car first.
Which car?
There's no need camera. I'll do this one.
Okay. Today it's Thursday, August 20, 2026. E500. Yesterday I didn't have a chance to make a video. Alright. We have radiator. It's out. Need to remove the pulley from the power steering pump, from the hydraulic pump here, to see if it's leaking the seal of the shaft of the pump. Okay. Alternator, it's out. It's here. 110 amperes. Now, what's the plan with alternator? We have the brushes with the voltage regulator here. All right, I'm gonna take out also the bearings. I'm gonna clean it, and then we're gonna put new bearings, new voltage regulator with the brushes, and put it back together. Maintenance, service. All right. I'm gonna put also in the video how it looks like the brushes. Then nothing more. We are moving on. The parts are over there. Yeah, I'm just busy with engines. Yeah. What's going on? I'm putting the guys to remove some parts for me. Then I'm coming to see that everything is fine, to install it. We have to remove also the cover here to clean the sealant and all this mess from here. Yeah, that's the plan. The filter inside, I mean, it's at the bottom. We have to suck the fluid from here. We have to suck all the fluid and then change the filter to don't contaminate the system. No need to be super tight, this one, for now at least. Yep, let's open the alternator. Let's look at the brushes and compare it with the new ones. Yeah, let me use both hands. Yeah, all right. It just has this hook here that's securing it. It's not that bad. Let's see the new one. I would say that's 50 to 60% healthy. I mean, the brushes, the materials, all right? That's what I'm talking about. 467. I don't think we're gonna have any difference, but we're gonna find out, right? Okay. Let's move on. The shaft, the outer has a little bit more wear. The inner one, it looks better. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. It was charging after all. This maintenance doesn't make any sound. Yeah, all right. It's not bad. It's a good thing to change the. This is from customer request, by the way, because he wants to have a peace of mind. We're gonna change the voltage regulator and the bearings, and we're gonna clean it. Let me take it apart. Taking it apart, the only thing that's remaining is to remove the bearings. Stator. I don't see any overheat mark or something. It looks okay. The plastic piece that has back for the rear bearing, it didn't broke. It didn't broke because it has from the factory a cut here and has the slots that goes to a dedicated place inside. All right. Obviously, I'm not hurting by any means the rotor. And okay, that's the front housing. Total fine. Now, rear bearing. It's about time. Front bearing. It was a good call from the customer to change the bearings and the voltage regulator, like I said. Let me wash everything and press the bearings to give it as a sample. And yeah, and standing by, it's playing also, yeah, alright, yeah, it's dry. Yeah, both bearings are dry. Yeah, I'm gonna give the bearings as a sample. SKF, Timken, Koyo, made in Japan, Germany, France, or USA. Good quality bearings, that's what I'm talking about. Alright, like any other time. Let me clean, prepare everything. See you inside the engine room. Because as soon as we're gonna be clean, I can take it inside. Not like that. Back inside the engine room. It didn't took that long, right? Okay, so where is the alternator after the repair? Everywhere. Okay, let's do this. Let's keep here down the new one. Let's put the old one. I wash the old one with the rest of the parts. It's gonna be returned back to the customer. Yeah, I'll put there inside. And then we have NSK and NTN. Fine. And we have the number here. We have the number here. We have outer diameter, inner diameter, height. All right, this I'm gonna give it as a sample to the driver to bring me the bearings. Then, because I don't know when they're gonna bring me the bearings. They might bring it to me today. They might bring it to me in a month. I have no clue. Let's be ahead and let's do something about that. All right. Fine. All right. Keep it this there until it comes the parts. Let's put also the starter with the carton as is over there. Let me take a little bit the parts and then we're gonna go outside. And these two to the driver, like I said. There you go. For now, it's gonna stay there. Okay, it's not touching to each other. Nice, safe. I'm getting this back to the customer and this to the driver, like I said. Let's go outside. I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna stop the video shortly. You're gonna see. Let me. Why the fuck? Yeah, give me a second. All right. So I told you to open the pulley. Why? Because I wanna see if the shaft seal is leaking. And we are lucky because we can see down there that the seal of the hydraulic pump, it doesn't leak. It's dry. That's amazing. These are amazing news. Lovely. So we have to deal only with pipes and crash washers. Amazing. These are amazing news. That's not bad. That's not bad. It's always welcome. So what are we gonna do now? We're gonna continue, start fixing parts. All right. I'm gonna stop this video, and when I'm gonna receive the new bearings, I'm gonna make another part, and we're gonna see the progress. What have we done till that time? We might receive the bearings like another time. We might receive it within an hour or two. We might receive it within a month or two, right? Nobody knows. We're gonna find out. So that's it for now. Let me upload this video. Obviously it's for the owner, and moving on. All right, fine. When you see, yes, I'm listening. When you see these kind of things from rags. Which bolt? Oh, that was like that?
Yes.
This bolt was like that?
Yes.
The fuck, man. Oh boy. All right. You know that we cannot leave it loose.
Yes.
Okay. You have to remove the bracket, remove the smoke pump. Okay, it's not a big deal. And it has one electrical connector, one pipe. After also the secondary injection. Remove the smoke pump to reach at this bolt to torque it down properly. And when you're gonna be there, check all the rest. Alright? Good eye, Mr. Joe. That's it. Thank you. Before we change the filter, we suck all the fluid out. Right? We suck all the fluid. You know what? We have to change some pipes, right? Because it has a leak. Alright, so we're gonna make complete flush of the system. What does mean that one? The tank out, we're gonna wash it, and then when it's gonna be perfect clean and dry inside, then we're gonna put the new filter in. When we're gonna finish with the pipes and all these things. So the system to be perfect, to be spotless. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Lovely. That's it for now. Thank you. Over and out.